Hi there, in the video today I'm going to show you how you can duplicate an existing step within the Scribe tool. So here we have an existing how-to guide on how to create an out-of-office email in Outlook on the web. Now to duplicate an existing step, locate the step that you want to duplicate and click on the ellipsis button or the three dots and select duplicate step. From here, if you want to edit the text within the duplicate step, click on the text and edit the text from here. So here you can change the screenshot as needed. So in this example, we're going to change the location of the target icon. To change the location of the target, just click Edit Image and click the pen tool. And now just move the target to your desired location and hit Done. So here you can see we were able to duplicate an existing step in order to create a new step within our how-to guide. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you also found value out of this video, I'd also like you to consider subscribing to my channel where I'll share more Scribe tutorial and other tips on how you can improve your digital communication at work. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.